Mic on. Oh, thank you. Happy birthday, Mom. Seagulls swarming Sandra as she throws bread in the air without a care in the world. Hyperbirds swirling above her head in a beautiful frenzy that spun her dizzy until she embarrassingly hurled Sandra's parents. Observe her hurling from chairs in the turf, prepared to go get her, pale with concern. Sandra hurls bread into the mouths of the flock she orchestrates into perilous turns. Seagull splatters are splattering her face. Get everywhere in her curls. Mother covers the sun with her hand and stares till it burns. The waves wear and tear on the earth as tides draw closer to her feet. Sandra fearlessly whirls. The ocean is still with danger lurking beneath transparency's surge. Sandra twirls, oblivious to her parents now, blaring words, swearing a blur, a scarier surf. The mother's voice could be heard. The seashells like aquarium urns. Seagulls flapping their wings as your worst nightmare unfurls. Sandra, hearing impaired, mother's clarity, stern ear erosion from sea salt and bird shit that churned her ear to a murmur. Lifeguard hurrying off the chair, firing flares and spurts, helicopter hovering above the seagulls. Flailing submerged volleyball, impaled from the berserk shrieking of parents, screaming, apparently learning the welfare of their child for a quarter square mile. Beware and alert! Sandra is somewhere in the surf! Her sandals emerge! The underwater ruckus chips, coral, crying shellfish as our cameras stirred. The award goes to... Share in the search. Pretend you're the parents of this girl. Sunburned, red glare of the world, wind knocked out of your sails, holding on to the rails of the world. Bury your head in the lair of the earth. I dare you to turn as your child's body rises. The seagulls. The seagulls hoist her from out of the watery grave. Before a school of hammers converge, the parents turn ghost white, as tan as they were. Sandra! Pearl! Sandra! Pearl! You deserve a prayer from the church. Where do we go when we perish and purge? Are we etched in stone? Or are we all just sand in the surf? Castles in the air. Mosswalker.